Do you even wonder if ChatGPT can help you make content? I'll show you how. Just visit the website openai.com. After that, go to the features and select ChatGPT. There are a lot of questions about content you can ask ChatGPT. For example, you are a content creator and your content will be about fitness industry. So let's try a couple of questions. Give me 5 facts about going to the gym. Simple as that. You just need to wait for a few seconds and your question will be answered. The good thing about ChatGPT is that it won't be difficult to think of your content because it will do its job to assist you. Another thing about ChatGPT is AI can analyze data at a much faster rate than humans, allowing it to find patterns much more quickly. Just ask questions that you want to know, and AI would love to help you. Just that simple. If you're a content creator, this ChatGPT will help you a lot. I hope this video helped you out.